Over Monday night, sleeping on your own. But this time it's gonna feel better. This time I'm thinking about forever. Yeah, I've been moving mountains. I've been moving mountains, feel love when your body is grounded. I've been moving mountains, feel love. If it all falls down, I'll still be around. I'll take away, cause you know I've been moving mountains. I've been moving mountains for your love. For your mountains, for your love. For your mountains, for your love. For your mountains, for your love. I've been moving mountains for your love. I'll be moving mountains for your love. I've been moving mountains. I've been moving mountains, feel love. My body is grounded. I've been moving mountains, feel love. If it all falls down, I'll still be around. I'll take away, cause you know I've been moving mountains. I've been moving mountains for you. I do it for you. It's always been you. I'm moving mountains. I'm moving mountains. I do it for you. It's always for you. I'm moving mountains. I've been moving mountains for your love.
Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, I'm calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, I'm calling me baby. Why the sudden change? You acting kinda shady and calling me baby. Better say my name. Say my name, say my name. Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. Say my name, say my name.
I stop and stare at you, walking on the shore. I try to concentrate, my mind wants to explore. Tropical scent of you takes me up above. And girl, when I look at you, oh, I fall in love. No doubt you look so fine. Girl, I wanna make you mine. I want to be with the woman that I love. No doubt I'm the only man who can love you like I can. Just let me be with the woman that I love. Oh, mysterious girl, I wanna get close to you. Oh, mysterious girl, put your body next to mine. Watching the sun go down, the time is drifting in. We can get close enough, feel the warmth within. Cause I'm looking at your eye, feeling so alive. And girl, when you touch me, it's time to take it through the night. Girl, I wanna be with you, I wanna spend the night with you. I need to be with a woman just like us. I want to do to you all the things you want me to. Just let me be with the woman that I love. Oh, mysterious girl, I wanna get close to you. Oh, mysterious girl, put your body next to mine. Oh, mysterious girl, I wanna get close to you. Oh, mysterious girl, put your body next to mine.
Night's closing in and I'm walking by these empty streets. Unease is blowing wind. Take me.
Hello.
Good morning!
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone! I hope everybody is having a wonderful day today.
Yes.
How are you, Mr. Jobs?
We're fine. Oh.
You're fine. You're fine. Oh yes, we're definitely fine and very excited for today to be the one who's going to conduct and share with you our products or the wonderful and proven and tested products of our company. And before we go straight to that, of course, let us first welcome and appreciate the people who are now watching us live here in Facebook. And we can see who are the people who are comments.
Let's make it bigger.
Yeah, all right.
All
Yes, we
right.
have here.
Babatunde. That's my name also in Yoruba. My name is Babatunde.
Yeah.
So the meaning of Babatunde is the father has come.
Wow, the Father has come.
Yeah,
Good morning,
King
grabe,
Hey,
Pawe.
Yeah, Facebook user. I think it came from
Our
the
closed group in
closed group.
Image Talks closed group. Anyway, good morning. Thank you for joining us today. We also have good morning watching from Malaysia, Ma'am Imelda Ciceron.
Good morning. Thank you for watching. Okay.
Of
All right,
course.
let's start. Hey,
Yes.
Alpha.
Yes, we miss you. Hi, Faithy. Thank
Hi,
you for
Faith.
watching us, our marketing assistant in PH or Patakot RC.
Yeah,
Thank you for
Faith,
being
teach me how
here.
to make pepe soup. Oh.
Yes,
I've missed your pepe soup there. Ozochi Blessing, good morning.
Good
From
morning.
Lagos RC. Imam Osere, good earning. Yeah, good morning to you. Thank you for watching. And of course, from Delta State, Wari.
Ooh.
Okay, from Wari area.
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 Like that.
Okay, from Ghana we have Evans Clever. You're
Clever.
also very
Wow.
clever.
Yeah, you have a nice name.
Man Piero.
Man Piero
Wow, I'm really enjoying the training and watching you live
from
from
Ghana.
Ghana.
Thank you, and we welcome you to our presentation for today. And this is going to be two parts, two parts of the presentation. You will have the first part, which is going to be Mr. Jobs, who will
Yeah.
share with you from C24/7 down to our Natura Essentials products. And later on, I will be also be in the second part up to the recommendations. So be sure you're here, you have your pens and paper, and get ready to write down notes and learn with us, especially all of our products here at Alliance in Motion Global.
Yes, and to Mom Elsa Elcate Layo. Hoy, lahoy, lahoy, lahoy. Hello everyone watching from
The Philippines!
So anyway, so this training will talk about more the details of the products because during OPP, during the product demo, we just only have an overview of the products, okay?
Yes.
But right now we will talk about the do's and don'ts, what are the correct methods, what are the correct dosage in order for you to what do you call this? Easy for you to sell or to share the products. And I'm sure after this training, okay, you will now be a certified MD.
MD.
Okay, or doctor of medicines.
Doctor
Okay,
of our products.
this training will give you more confidence. Okay.
Yes.
So because a lot of people are asking what are the correct dosage, what is the best product that you can recommend, and if you are a new member, sometimes it disturbs your mind, and of course you don't know. Also, you're not confident how or what products are you going to give or to recommend to your patient. So this training is very important because it's not only about fever, it's not only about pains that you are encountering with your patients, but mostly cancer, problem with the kidney, problem with the liver, and some other complication diseases. Okay, complicated diseases. So of course, normally and naturally, we are not born or we are not what they call this have knowledge when it comes to medicine or health. So this is the right time for you to learn how these products can really help our immune system and what are the differences of drugs over food supplements.
Yes.
All right. So
That's
this is
correct.
the right.
That's correct. It's actually one way for you also to gain knowledge so that you'll be able to suggest and recommend the products correctly. Not just just recommend all of the products with a blind eye, but rather recommending them really correctly so that you can not only protect yourself, but you can also protect your client at the same time. Because don't you ever forget, we are actually dealing with our health, our body, and we are dealing with people who have challenges in their body. So again, we welcome each and every one of you today, and we are happy that you have joined us. And with that, we also want you to prepare your pens and paper and make sure to write down all of the things you're going to learn from us so that definitely you will not forget all about it, and later on it will serve as your reminder every time there's somebody asking you about our products.
All right, so I will discuss first of the half of the products, and my partner Kate will discuss about the other half of the products and the dosage.
Yes.
All right.
I'll see you again later.
All right. So this time around, we will talk more about our product training. Okay, this is a special product training, and this is very important. So we know I'm gonna go straight to the point. This is just only 30 minutes and 2 days. Just joking. All right. So before that, I would like to congratulate and of course to acknowledge all the viewers here right now. So if I were you, please take down notes so that you will not forget what you learned for today. Now, we know that our slogan, health is wealth, and we know health is very important. Okay, the best investment right now is health because if you don't have good health,
or a what you call this proper health, you cannot do anything. Okay, you're just only lying down. You're just only waiting and for your friends. You're just only what? Mean to say, in short, if you don't have good health, you cannot enjoy life. That's all. Okay? So we need to protect our health. We need to boost our immune system by what? Providing nutritious foods and providing nutritious or powerful supplement in our body. Now, we said that prevention is better than cure and action speaks louder. Yes, it's true. Prevention is better than cure because the moment you get sick, especially diabetes, if you are diabetic, you cannot prevent it anymore and you cannot cure it anymore because until right now, there is still no cure about diabetes. We can only manage the levels of our blood sugar. Okay, so the best way for us to make our body healthy is to focus more on prevention. Okay, you need to look forward. We need to prevent ourselves from all those diseases and illnesses that will come in our body. Okay, so we will talk more about the products, and of course, according to Dalai Lama, calm mind brings inner strength and self-confidence. So that it's very important for good health. Okay, so you know what, brothers and sisters, distributors of AIM Global, just like what Dalai Lama says, that this quote will gonna help you solve this kind of challenges that we are offering trainings. One of these trainings we are offering right now is the product presentation. Okay, so we are going to learn more about this product training because once you have gained knowledge when it comes to products, you will be confident. And if you are confident, it will bring calm mind to you. Okay, now, so what is the importance of product training? Okay, what is the importance of product training? We need to improve ourselves more, learn more, and share more about this training. To inform also the do's and don'ts during product discussion, and also to know the answer to common questions that people were asking. Okay, it's not only one, twice, but a lot of times people are asking about the dosage. People are asking what is the best product for pregnant women, for fibroids, everything. We should answer that. Okay, and we should address that correctly. And also to introduce the new upcoming product of the company. So that's the importance of product training. A lot of people join AIM Global. They don't have a time to learn the products. At the end of the time, they're frustrated because they don't know how to explain, and sometimes they recommend the wrong product to the diseases of their client. Okay, so we also learn and to know that there are 3 R's that can help in the prevention of diseases. Number one is right diet. Okay, right diet. A lot of people, of course, even me, I'm eating a lot of foods, especially high cholesterol, okay, high fatty foods. I can't deny that. But I can only say that there is no good and bad food, only bad diet. All right? There is no good and bad food. There's no good food and bad food. There's only bad diet. Okay? So you need to have or to train or discipline ourselves. So we need to get or to have a right diet or eating habits. If you are already full, okay, you know already the limit. Don't take it too much. Now, right exercise and activities. Okay, it does not only enough that you're eating good food. You need also to exercise at least 30 minutes to 1 hour a day. It's already enough. Okay, so the reason why people get sick because of the low immune system, because their body are not well trained. Okay, their muscles are not what they call this exercise. That's the reason why our body slows down, our immune system slows down because we don't have we don't have time anymore to exercise. So because exercise can truly help our cardiovascular system, it can help to produce more red blood cells in our body and produce more oxygen in our blood. Okay, what else? The third R is the right discipline. Okay, we know Also, how to discipline ourselves. Before eating, we should wash our hands, especially right now because of the COVID-19 and coronavirus are through airborne. We can get that virus through airborne. And if the people are infected with virus and if they touch something, you can infect someone also. So that's the transmission or of the virus. So we need to what? Sanitize our hands first. We need to wash our hands thoroughly before we eat or before we pick something, because normally when we some people when we pick, okay, let's say for example a pen, we usually put it in our mouth, we hold it through our mouth, and we are not aware of that. Okay, so always learn that these 3 R's can really help you to prevent diseases. So again, right diet, right exercise, and right discipline. Okay, so this is it. Now we are now going to a healthy lifestyle. Probably all of you are familiar with these cases: stroke, obesity, overweight, and skin diseases. So if your client complain about this, if your friend are complaining about this, that you're suffering from stroke, obesity, and skin diseases, and how to prevent, we usually think, what are the things we're gonna do? Okay? And if you are not medically inclined, of course, you get panic. Okay, you will be bothered or you'll get stressed. Now, we will learn what are the things to do if how to prevent this kind of diseases and illnesses. Usually, normally, we go to the doctor, we seek advice, we seek consultation, and of course, the doctor will give you medications, drugs, right? So there's nothing wrong with the drugs or medication, but of course, you should also know the effects, the adverse effects of the drugs. Okay, so it's time for us to learn what is the difference of drugs versus supplements. Okay, drugs versus supplements. Okay, what is drugs? It's a substance intended for use in the diagnosis, cure, mitigation, treatment, okay, or prevent of disease. Intended only to affect the structure of any function of the body, and it's also a substance intended for use to a component of a medicine. Okay, you say substance, a material with definite chemical composition. So literally, a drug is made of chemicals. So the only way of this or the benefit of drugs inside our body is to temporarily relieve. Okay, relief of current medical condition like pain, discomfort, and helps in diseases recovery. Okay, prescription drugs can save lives, but they can also come with unwanted side effects. So a lot of people, okay, lots of people are doing self-medication. So you should avoid that. Okay, you should avoid that because not all drugs are safe. All right, so the facts that 4.5 million Americans visit their doctor's office of the emergency room because of adverse prescription drug side effects. It can also what? Bring serious side effects when taken wrong. All right, so this will gonna happen to you. So if you are having a problem with high blood or diabetes, do not have a self-medication. Okay, always remember that, because if you do such that thing, this might gonna happen to you. Okay, hypertension, or not only hypertension, but probably other worst case diseases. Okay, so hope you are learning right now. Now, supplement. All right, everyone, if you are learning, type there food supplement. Okay, food supplement. Let's see if our viewers are learning. Okay, food supplement, type there food supplement. So what is the intention or what is the purpose of food supplement or herbal? Is to provide nutrients. Please type there, provide nutrients. Okay, it includes vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, or amino acids. All right, probably. Okay. DJ Caspi, thank you for watching. Okay, so what else? The benefits of food supplement in our body. It provides all the nutrients that the body needs and also strengthens the immune system. All right, thank you, Imelda Ciceron. Food supplement, food supplement. Put there the benefits. Okay, it provides all the nutrients that the body needs and strengthens the immune system. Okay, so prevention is better than cure, as I mentioned earlier. What are the effects of taking supplement? Okay, so number one, it helps to strengthen our immune system. It reduces the risk of Alzheimer's disease. It beneficial in treating arthritis and ulcerative colitis. Helps to prevent cancer. Provide relief from toothache and bad breath. Helps to reduce blood sugar levels and cholesterol, and of course, aid in maintaining healthy skin and hair. And this is what we want in our body. Okay, this is what we want in our body, to maintain a healthy body, to maintain a healthy lifestyle. And what are the effects of taking supplements? Just like C24/7 we have here in AIM Global. Look what happened. Okay, this lady is suffering from a kidney stone. But after taking the best food supplement, the C24/7, it comot. Okay, it comot from his body. Okay, it passes to the ureter, and look, it's so very big. Okay, that stone is made of salt. Okay, also our supplement or the supplement can also revive cancer patient. Okay, it will boost the immune system of a cancer patient. So imagine a lot of people already been helped by our food supplement. So always remember these things. Food supplements are herbal medicines or drugs. Okay? Not food additives, not intended to cure. Okay? Put there, food supplements, okay, are use of dietary supplements to ensure the body gets enough essential nutrients. It's only intended to use as a dietary supplements. Okay? Always remember, it's not intended to treat, okay, and not to mitigate and not to cure diseases. Because a lot of people are asking, why is your food has no, what you call this, not intended to treat or cannot cure? Because this food supplement is intended only for dietary supplements or to get enough essential nutrients inside our body. Okay, now, so that's the things to remember in our food supplements. Now, let's talk about AIM Global products. Let's talk about more on C24/7 first. Our flagship product, C24/7, contains 140 components with a total of 22,000 phytonutrients. Okay, 22,000 phytonutrients. Nutrients coming from the plants. Okay, it has 29 vitamins, up to essential fatty acids and longevity polyphenols. Everything are already included in C24/7. Okay, it uses advanced technologies just to make all the 140 components compressed inside C24/7, which includes Nanotech, Synertech, and Alcatech. Now, type the three technologies used in C24/7. Okay, write down there: Nanotech, Synertech, and Alcatech. All right. So you know what? C24/7 disintegrates after 15 minutes. Compared to the other brands of supplements, after 15 minutes, it's still solid. You know what? Our body, our digestive system can only digest up to 20 minutes. Okay, and after that, it will go down to okay, the food will go to stomach. It will absorb nutrients in small intestine, and after that, it will pass to large intestine, and it will go out now to your body. But sometimes, why is this brand A, brand C, and brand C are still solid? Because, okay, because they are made of food additives. They are made of what you call this binders that our body cannot digest or cannot disintegrate within 15 minutes. Unlike our C24/7, it's 100% naturally organic. Okay, naturally, even the capsule is made of vegetables. That's why within 15 minutes, the body can disintegrate it. Okay, and it can absorb by your body. Okay, easily. Okay, so this is our C24/7. So talking about vitamins, these are the vitamins included in our C24/7 from vitamin A, B1, B2 up to K. It has also major minerals, calcium chloride, magnesium, phosphorus, and also trace minerals. So these are all scientific, okay? Uh, or I cannot explain this anymore because it's very very if I can explain this, some of you cannot understand very well what are the purpose of this calcium chloride. So I'm just only say that these major minerals, trace minerals, and vitamins can boost your immune system. Okay, it can boost your immune system. What else? 12 whole fruit juice blend. So according to the World Health Organization, we need to eat at least 5 kinds of fruits and vegetables. But here in our C24/7, 12 whole fruit juice blend, and not only that, 12 whole vegetable juice blend. So what are these fruits and vegetables? Okay, we have the plum, cranberry, blueberry, strawberry, blackberry, bilberry, cherry, apricot, papaya, orange, grape, and pineapple that contains the highest ORAC value or oxygen radical absorbance capacity that fights, okay, that what they call this fights free radicals inside our body. Okay, aside from that, as I mentioned a while ago, it has also 12 vegetables with parsley, kale, spinach, wheatgrass, brussels, asparagus, broccoli, cauliflower, beet, carrot, cabbage, and garlic. So everyone, please write there C24/7. Okay. So aside from fruits and vegetables, it contains amino acids, 18 amino acids, okay, for growth, repair, and maintenance of the body tissues. Okay, if you are going to the gym, if you're doing exercise, these 18 amino acids can really help you because normally our body can only produce 9 amino acids. So we can get the other 9 from the food that we eat, but unfortunately, those foods that we eat sometimes are not nutritious. So mean to say we can get all the 18 amino acids inside our body. So, but with the help of C24/7, it can provide 18 amino acids inside our body for muscle repair and regeneration. Okay, so we have essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. So what else? It has 14 green foods and spirulina blend. So this super green foods and spirulina blend, the special ingredient there is spirulina. Okay, it's a blue-green algae, a freshwater plant, but the benefits is very superb. Okay, it strengthens the different systems of the body, especially the what? Immune system. It lowers the blood pressure, it reduces cholesterol, it lowers incidence of stroke, it boosts our energy, helps in weight loss, and memory booster. Could you imagine, out of 14 super green foods, could you imagine the benefit of spirulina alone? How much more the other ingredients? Okay, also the dandelion, okay, as a flower, but this is the benefit of dandelion. It protects our bones. It contains 10% of your daily calcium needs, also cleanses our liver and aids in digestion, and also high in vitamin K, which builds bones better than calcium. Not only that, it also fights diabetes, skin infections, and prevents urinary tract infection. So could you imagine a single ingredient of 14 out of the 14 super green foods? It has a lot of benefits inside our body. So aside from fruits, aside from vegetables, these super green foods can really help us, okay, to protect our body from diseases. Not only that, C24/7 also contains 12 Japanese mushrooms. These mushrooms are rich in polysaccharides, which has the ability to what? To decrease the body or the cell or tumor cells inside our body. Okay? But I highly suggest if you have a high or big tumor already in your body, I highly suggest you need to go to your doctor or your surgeon to remove it from your body. But if you're just only small, okay, small cyst, small tumor, these Japanese mushrooms can really help you to avoid cancer and stroke. Okay, what else? 12 herbs and specialty nutrients. Okay, which contains citrus bioflavonoid complex, Siberian roots, inositol, choline, PABA. So these are all medical, what they call this, ingredients, these herbs and specialty nutrients. But these herbs and special nutrients can really help your brain and your cardiovascular system. Okay, so all of these ingredients that I mentioned can be found in C247 and every capsule of C 24/7. That's why no wonder why people every time they take C247 they feel regenerated, they feel energized, and probably you heard a lot of testimonies that from a simple cancer, from a simple cases like diabetes or worse even stroke, people can now walk, they're energized because of the nutrients of the ingredients that can be found in our supplement. Okay, so another product we have is Complete Phyto Energizer. Okay, Complete Phyto Energizer is almost the same with C247. Okay, it's the very first product of AIM Global. It also contains 29 vitamins and minerals, but this Complete Phyto Energizer has no anti-aging and longevity polyphenols compared to C247. So this product, Complete Phyto Energizer, is mostly recommended to pregnant women, lactating mothers, people with bleeding problems, take note on that, and people with reproductive problems. So if your patient has experiencing like bleeding, reproductive problems in a female, or if your client female is pregnant, the only product that you can give or supplement that you can give is Complete. Okay, do not give them C247. Okay, because C247 has anti-aging and longevity polyphenols, means to say it contains resveratrol, which is not good for reproductive organ of problems and for female or mothers who are pregnant. Okay, so Complete, the vitamin C of Complete is acidic compared to C247 because C247 vitamin C used is alkaline. Okay, Complete is ascorbic acid. C247 is sodium ascorbate. So always learn and know that this C247 has anti-aging and longevity polyphenols and not recommended for pregnant women. So the best age that C247 can take is 18 years old and above. But Complete, starting of age to take is 12 years old and above. All right, take note on that. So things to remember. C247 and Complete is preferably taken with an empty stomach. Okay, 30 minutes before meal for better absorption of products. That's the reason. So if ever the person is taking synthetic drugs the same time as that of C247, it will be better to take the product 2 hours after meal. What's the reason? Because that is the normal duration of the partial digestion of food inside the stomach. So don't give it to clients taking blood thinning drugs or medication. So always ask your client first if they're taking blood thinning drugs or medication. Then if yes, if the answer is yes, if your patient is taking blood thinning drugs or medication, then don't give Ceto-4-7. Instead, give them complete phytoenergizer. And if there are complaints of any kind of discomfort such as dizziness, insomnia, constipation, and diarrhea, inform them that it might be a form of what? Healing crisis. What is this healing crisis means? It's a time where we are manifesting different signs and symptoms of a hidden illness inside of our body, or a condition in which our body is adjusting to new products we are taking. Okay, so a lot of people are wondering why is it after taking complete or Ceto-4-7 they feel dizzy, okay, they experience nausea, they also have some stomach ache or headache. Why? Because of the healing crisis. It means to say the Ceto-4-7, the complete phytoenergizer, is responding to your body. Okay, it's a good sign. They are fighting. They are fighting inside your body. They are fighting free radicals. They are fighting diseases and viruses inside our body. They want those viruses, those toxins, viruses, and bacteria that will go out from your body. Okay, so that is the side effects. Okay, hope you are learning right now. Okay, so another product we have is Kiddy 24/7. So what is this Kiddy 24/7? It's a C24/7 version for kids that can be taken 2 years old up to 12 years old. Why is it? Because after 12 years old, what's the next product that we can take is complete phytoenergizer. So this Kiddy 24/7, okay, is a form of gummies created for everybody, especially for kids who are picky eaters. Okay, so it's a gluten-free, and of course, it comes with 3 flavors: orange, grape, and cherry. All right, a lot of kids right now, we have a hard time to let them eat fruits and vegetables, but because of the Kiddy 24/7, kids are not aware that they think it's only a gummy, it's a candy, but they don't know it contains 14 super green foods. Okay, 14, also 14, 26 vitamins and minerals, and also a pack of nutritious and supplements. Okay, 14 super vitamins and minerals and 26 fruits and vegetables. Okay, so hope you are learning. Hope you are learning. Yeah, this is the things to remember. Most of the kids today has a tendency to avoid foods that they don't find good to eat, especially fruits and vegetables. Okay, so the dosage that the child needs is lower than the amount that is recommended for the adult. Remember that anything that is more than the prescribed amount is also bad for the body. Okay. So I'm sure every one of you have nephews, nieces, aging 2 years old and 12 years old. Then it's time for you to give them or to recommend them Kiddy 24/7. Okay. Another product we have is Restore Life. Okay, what is this Restore Life? It's an anti-aging supplement that can help you restore your life. And of course, the main ingredient is resveratrol. And the benefits is reverses diseases associated with aging like cancer, diabetes, hypertension, arthritis, and a lot, many more. So the main ingredient here is Japanese knotweed. Okay, Japanese knotweed. The benefit of Japanese knotweed is cognitive disorder, which improves Alzheimer's diseases and dementia or memory loss. Okay. Heart disease, resveratrol in Japanese knotweed has been known to counter high cholesterol level in the blood. So it can prevent heart diseases. Also, insulin control. So for all the people out there who are suffering from diabetes, this is the best product that I can recommend, Restore Life. Okay, can you write it down there? Restore Life. Okay, it will keep your blood sugar levels regulated. Also, it also prevents you from cancer. Okay, resveratrol appears to have number of beneficial effects against carcinogens responsible for many types of cancer, including breast, prostate, colon, and thyroid varieties. Okay, it also triggers the process of cancer cell death or apoptosis. Also, it has Japanese, okay, grapeseed extract. Okay, what is this grapeseed extract? And help our body controls our blood pressure. Okay, it helps dilate the blood vessels and also about swelling or edema. So the grapeseed extract has been found to inhibit leg swelling that could occur during prolonged sitting. So these are the benefits of Restore Life inside our body. Also, diabetes, okay, controls our blood sugar, and also cognitive decline, such as Alzheimer's also. So always remember that Restore Life should not be recommended to people who have the following conditions. Okay, active bleeding or bleeding tendencies, pregnant women or lactating mothers, female reproductive problems, or persons below 18 years of age, and those people who are taking blood thinning medicines. Okay? Hope you are learning right now. Now, so these are the things to remember when it comes to Restore Life. So almost the same with C24/7, because C24/7 and Restore Life, always remember they contain resveratrol, which is not good for pregnant women and bleeding patients. Okay? Note, take note on this. Restore Life is taken before, okay, before going to sleep, especially during the first week of taking it. Okay? Resveratrol is the main component of our product, which enables our body to reduce the sleeping metabolic rates, or the minimum of calories needed to support basic functions like breathing and circulation of our blood during rest. Okay, so always remember that. Hope you are writing, hope you are taking notes. Okay, please write that down. Restore Life. Okay, Restore Life. Now, another product we have is Colidus. Please write it down. If you are learning, please write it down. Colidus. Colidus. What is this Colidus? It contains high potency omega-3 fatty acids, which helps reduce bad cholesterol and normalize blood pressure. Also reduces the risk of coronary heart disease, which helps improves our brain development for adults and babies, and also molecularly distilled to ensure purity of polychlorinated biphenyls, or PCB, and mercury. So one of the ingredients of Colidus is the EPA, okay, or eicosapentaenoic acid. What is the benefits? It's heart health support, which supports our arterial wall elasticity, which is our blood vessels. Weight management, if you wish to lose weight, then Colidus can help you. Useful for burning excess fats before it gets stored in our body, and also support for mental development of children. Okay, and also joint health. Helpful for managing discomfort, tenderness, and morning stiffness of the joints. So if you are now age 40 years old, 50 years old, probably you are now suffering or experiencing joint problems, then you should take now Colidus. Okay, not only for the joint problem, but also to reduce bad cholesterol inside your body. So Colidus also has vitamin E for strong immunity and healthy skin and eyes. So it also balances our cholesterol level inside our body, also repairs damaged skin, acting as a natural anti-aging nutrient. It also thickens the hair and also helps us to prevent with Alzheimer's disease or memory loss, as well as improves our vision and physical endurance and muscular or muscle strength. All right, so that is the benefit of Colidus. And good thing, you know what? What's good in our Colidus? It has DHA, or docosahexaenoic acid. It's one of the major building blocks of the brain, which omega-3 fatty acid. It is very critical for optimal brain health and function at all ages of life. So please write it down there, DHA. Okay? DHA or docosahexaenoic acid. Okay? So what is the benefit of DHA? It's the key component for the developing of brain and eyes. It also contributes to the maintenance of normal blood pressure. It also contributes to the normal function of the heart and also contributes to the normal brain development of the fetus and breastfed infants. Okay, always, okay, follow this and always learn that this Colidus, okay, take down. It improves our brain and our eyes, normal blood pressure, normal function of the heart, and normal brain development. So that is the function of our Colidus. Okay, things to remember. What if your patient is pregnant? Okay, you can give it at the first month of pregnancy until the 37th week of gestation of your body. So you can mean to say first month up to the 8th month, you can still give Colidus. Am I right? 8th month. But on the 9th month, stop giving or recommending Colidus to your pregnant patient. Why? Because Colidus also has a blood thinning effect. Okay? So how can you take Colidus? How to take Colidus? You can take it during meal. Okay? So caution, always check if the person is having bleeding problems or taking blood thinning medication. If it is, then do not give Colidus. All right. All right, Temi Topi, thank you. Nice presentation. Hope you are learning. Take down notes. Okay, another product we have is Vida. What is the main ingredient of Vida or VidaMax? Is Resvida and of course Fruit Flow. So this product has the ability to maintain our normal blood circulation and helps to maintain healthy platelet function important to cardiovascular health. Okay, because of the help of Resvida and Fruit Flow. So this is the illustration. Will show you how our fat stored inside our arteries, if we are not careful of what we are eating, it will build up. Okay, it will narrow down our blood vessels and tendency. It can cause heart attack or even stroke because the red blood cells cannot, which is the carrier of oxygen in our body, cannot pass easily in our blood vessels. That's why it will build up, it will narrow it down, and tendency it will cause you to what? Heart problem. So what is this Resvida? 100 milligrams inside our VidaMax. It's very high purity of resveratrol that dilates arteries to normalize blood flow. Okay, it's very high in trans resveratrol. Okay, the pure resveratrol, the highest absolute form of resveratrol, a powerful nutrient and antioxidant classified as a what? Polyphenol. Okay, so what is the purpose of Resvida? Write it down there. Artery dilation. Okay, artery dilation. So look at the picture from normal blood vessels, it will dilate. What is the purpose? Okay, what is the purpose? Okay, normal blood flow. Okay, so that's the purpose of Resvida, is to widen or to dilate the artery. So what is the benefits of Resvida? Anti-aging, because the skin of red grapes contains resveratrol, controls the aging process. Okay, resveratrol is a strong antioxidant which helps to maintain the health of our skin. Also maintains our blood sugar. Okay, if you don't have Restorlife there in your house, alternative product that you can take for maintaining our blood sugar is VidaMax. Also prevents us also the cholesterol inside our body, or bad cholesterol inside our body. It produces healthy cholesterol. Okay, what else? Heart health support. Yes, it will help our heart to become normal. Okay, it can inhibit formation of blood clot. This benefit can help also to support normal heart function, especially for elderlies. Okay, what else? Fruit flow, okay? It maintains normal platelet aggregation, which contributes to healthy what? Blood flow. You know what? We have platelets in our body. This platelet is a blood clotting factor. So if I'm gonna ask you, do we need blood clot inside our body? The answer, it depends. If you have wounds or if your skin is been cut up, we need a blood clot. Okay? But if you don't have wounds or cuts in our body, we don't need blood clot. Or else, you will gonna suffer from stroke or heart attack. Why? Due to stress, sometimes our platelet becomes spiky. Once it becomes spiky, it cannot freely flow inside our blood vessels. Then tendency, it will clog up in our platelet, in our blood vessels, and it will cause stroke or high blood pressure, or even the worst case, heart attack. Okay, so the purpose of fruit flow is to maintain our platelet, okay, normal, so that it can freely flow inside our blood vessels. All right, as you can see in the picture there, in the video, or in my slides, that's the platelet which is clogged up, and tendency because of the high cholesterol, it cannot pass freely in our blood vessels. Okay, so what is the benefit of VitaMax? Maintains healthy blood pressure, protects against cancer, and of course, reduce blood glucose for people with diabetes. In short, it lowers down the blood sugar or regulates blood sugar in our body. Okay, so that is the benefit of VitaMax. Also, okay, VitaMax, take down. VitaMax cannot be given also to pregnant women, lactating mothers, or also for those people who have what you call this, have a wound or have a bleeding. Why? Because it contains resveratrol. Okay, this is it. 8 human clinical trials documented reduction of platelet aggregation and improvement of blood flow. Okay, so this is the fruit flow. This is the special ingredients inside our VitaMax. It helps maintain normal platelet aggregation, which contributes healthy blood flow. So things to remember, VitaMax started to work as quickly as 1 hour and 30 minutes after, okay, immediate. After taking the supplement, and continued to enhance normal blood circulation for up to what? 12 hours. Because of the presence of resveratrol in VitaMax, it can help us also losing weight. It also shows in the studies that found out that you can use resveratrol to speed up our metabolism, to help you burn more calories throughout the day. Okay, so that is the benefits of VitaMax inside our body. And My Choco, okay, another product we have, a beverage. Okay, write it down there. My Choco. What is this My Choco? It's a chocolate drink that has a great health benefits of fruits, vegetables, and phytoalkaline powder. Fortified also with complete phytoenergizer and DHA that gives us what? Healthy heart and enhance our brain. So main ingredient is the cocoa, which derives from the, of course, from the cocoa beans, which enhance our memory and cardio protection. It also has a benefit of brain development for infants. It will keep our arteries clear, protects our also our body, our health from cancer, and slows down the aging process. Okay, so that is the benefit of My Choco. Could you imagine a My Choco with complete phytoenergizer plus DHA is really a great help for our babies ages 2 years old and above. Also, for adults, we have coffee. Leven Coffee, the world's first alkaline coffee. with health benefits coming from 16,000 phytonutrients, which is the complete phytoenergizer. And the main ingredient, of course, is the Arabica coffee beans, which contains an antioxidant called caffeine, which helps the body to be active and alert, prevents us also from cancer, maintains stamina, it will boost your mood, and improves your metabolism. Okay, why settle for less drinking other brands of coffee if you have a leave-in coffee with complete phytoenergizer? Whatever the benefits of complete phytoenergizer is also the benefits of our leave-in coffee. And of course, our leave-in coffee has 3 flavors: original, cappuccino, and latte. And my favorite one is the sugar-free. Why is sugar-free? Because sugar we use is stevia. Okay, the main component is stevia. It's a sweetener and sugar substitute extracted from the leaves of the plant species. Okay, Stevia baudania. That's the scientific name. What is the purpose of stevia? Maintains the normal sugar level in our human body. It is 300 times more sweeter, okay, than a table sugar, but it cannot cause diabetes. So for safety reasons, it's not recommended for pregnant women and for kids 18 years old below. Because a child's body, even the baby inside the woman's womb, doesn't have any abilities to break down the caffeine content. So if you are pregnant, okay, I'm talking to ladies, I'm talking to women. If you are pregnant, do not take coffee. Instead, take my choco to protect your baby, okay, from the side effects. Now, next product we have is Natural Essentials. Okay, we already learned how to protect our body from free radicals, invasion, diseases, our internal organs. We should also learn how to protect our outer body. Okay, so we have here the Natural Essential Herbal Toothpaste, which contains 5 antibacterial, antifungal properties. We have the aloe vera, myrrh extract, tea tree oil, piper betel, and bee propolis. Okay, we know the fact that our mouth is the most dirtiest part of our body because whatever we can pick, sometimes we put it in our mouth. All right, so what is this bee propolis? It's a resinous material that bees use to seal small cracks and gaps in the hive. Okay, so what is the benefit? Antibiotic or germicide. It has been used for thousands of years by herbalists and natural healers to fight what? Infection and speed wound healing. Okay, it helps us also what? Prevent tooth decay and also inhibits of oral bacteria and fungal infection like candidiasis. All right, so according to the World Health Organization statistics, over 100,000 Nigerians are diagnosed with cancer annually. Okay, all right. Am I right? So that's the statistics. But before going to the next product, I'm going to share with you first that this herbal toothpaste can also help you to what? Repair your gums. What else? If you have sore problems in your gums, it can really help you. And not only that, because it has complete phytoenergizer, could you imagine while brushing your teeth, it maintains the health of your gums and your body, because while you are brushing your teeth, the complete phytoenergizer found that in our toothpaste can be absorbed to our oral cavity. Now, another thing to learn, according to the World Health Organization statistics, over 100,000 Nigerians are diagnosed with cancer annually, and about 80,000 people die from the disease, averaging 240 Nigerians every day, or 10 Nigerians every hour dying from cancer. So the Nigerian's cancer death ratio of 4 in 5 is the worst in the world. So it has been written by Sola Ogundipe. Okay? Available data also shows that cervical cancer, which is virtually 100% preventable, kills 1 Nigerian woman every hour. Breast cancer kills 40 Nigerian women every hour, while prostate cancer kills 26 Nigerian men daily. So these 3 common cancer alone kills more than 90 Nigerians daily. You should be aware of that. So how can we avoid or prevent cervical cancer and prostate cancer, we need to something to have, or we need to take something in order for us to prevent these diseases. Now, we should also learn the signs and symptoms of cervical cancer. So, what are the signs and symptoms? Blood spots or light bleeding between following periods. We are now talking about ladies, okay? Menstrual bleeding that is longer and heavier than usual, bleeding after intercourse, douching, or a pelvic examination, increased vaginal discharge, pain during sexual intercourse, bleeding after menopause, and unexplained persistent pelvic and back pain. So once you are experiencing this, you should visit your doctor now. Okay? Because probably it might be a signs and symptoms of a cervical cancer. So what product to prevent that we need to use? I'm talking to women. You should use natural feminine wash or with negative ions, because these negative ions is anti-aging, okay, antibacterial, antifungal. Of course, it also includes aloe vera, guava leaf extract, and elemi oil, which contains antibiotic, antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. Okay, so it's good for itchiness, UTI, infections in the urinary bladder, and fungal infections. Okay, because I know here in Nigeria, correct me if I'm wrong, there are a lot of rituals when it comes to women. They put something in their vagina. I don't know what ritual is that to prevent from pregnancy or whatever. They put it's a part of their tradition, but you should avoid that. It's a new world right now, and we should also learn how to protect our private organs. So do not use this as your facial wash. Use this for your private parts, especially for women. Okay, just a little drop. Okay, put it. All you have to do is in a circular motion going outside, and you need to wash it or cleanse it thoroughly. Okay, after putting that feminine wash. Okay, also for men, if you are suffering from frequent urination, weak or interrupted urine flow, okay, the need to strain to empty the bladder or the urge to urinate frequently at night, if there's blood in the urine, if there's blood in the seminal fluid, new onset of erectile dysfunction, or there's pain or burning during urination, which is much less common, then that could be a symptoms and sign of having a prostate cancer. So what's my recommendation? Go to your doctor. Visit your doctor and ask for their advices. Okay? So you should what? In order for you to prevent prostate cancer, you need to use masculine wash. Okay? It contains Acapulco extract, also has antifungal, antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antiviral, and also has a peppermint oil which energizing, refreshing, and anti-aging, with aloe vera, which is disinfectant, germicidal, antiseptic, and anti-aging. It also has negative ions, all right? Okay, negative ions to what? For what? Anti-aging. All right.
Sara yung pinto.
Okay, I'm going to stop here. Okay, I'm going to stop here first because the next product the one who we're gonna share is my partner, Ma'am Kitlin Yan. So we're gonna call Ma'am Kitlin Yan to discuss the next product and the dosage of the products. All right, Ma'am Kitlin Yan, come on.
Hi! Good morning, and thank you for joining us today. And I think you're already been learning so much from Mr. Jobs in the first portion of our presentation of the products of our company. And so to continue further the other products that we still have, and later on the recommendations we can also suggest to our patients or our customers for our products. I will be first, I'd like to first introduce myself. My name is Caitlin Dian, and I'm your international trainer. And we are on our next batch of products that we have. So moving forward, our next product is, of course, our Burn product. We have our Burn Slim tablet. Burn stands for Body Under Right Nutrition. So Burn Slim is the safest organic dietary supplement in the world. Now, let's get to know more about our Burn Slim tablet. Now, Burn Slim tablet contains Garcinia cambogia and is most commonly recognized for its ability to help individuals lose weight. Its benefits includes inhibits our body's ability to store fat, helps use the existing body fat for energy during prolonged exercise. It also contains HCA or hydroxycitric acid, which reduces the appetite based on the study. So all of this, again, it's strongly advised that the higher effectiveness of the product, which is the Burn Slim tablet, it is recommended or highly recommends to have exercise or have movements that will trigger more of the effects of the components, helping the body to burn fats faster. It simply means Burn Slim tablets should be accompanied with not only proper diet but also exercise. So exercise, daily activities such as moving, you can start with walking, you can start with jogging. What is more important is to sweat out those, and sweating out simply means you're burning calories. And with the help of our Burn Slim tablet, it will make you burn more and sweat more. And that's what's good about our Burn Slim tablet. Now, moving forward, what are the other components of our Burn Slim tablet? It also contains L-carnitine, which helps increase metabolism, thus burns fat faster. It's also known to reduce fatigue, serve as appetite suppressant. So it simply means when you say it actually suppresses your appetite, it keeps you more disciplined and picky on the food that you eat, especially it makes you more full faster. So you feel like you're already full even though you have just eaten a small portion of food. What else? It also contains catechin, which is an antibacterial action which lowers the risk of heart disease, a component against cancer. It is just like anti-acid action, blood sugar regulating action, and anti-allergy. Now the next question, can we really lose weight? Yes, increase fat consumption in the liver. This leads to decrease in body fat. It simply means with the help of the supplement, the conversion and the metabolism of your body fat is also going to be very much beneficial for you, because more consumption of fat in the liver also helps you in decreasing your body fat. And that is one of our ingredients also, or most of the ingredients that we have in our Burn Slim tablet, which is, of course, catechin. Now, moving forward, what are the other products? We also have a product particularly for easing the pain or body pains that we are feeling. Now, we have CareLeaf Thermal Relief Patch, or what I call Pain Relief Patch. Now, CareLeaf Thermal Relief Patch is doctor formulated and patent pending. So it is infused with 9 powerful ingredients. What are these 9 powerful ingredients with the nanotechnology innovation? Let's discuss them one by one. It contains nano diamonds, which actually penetrates the deeper layers of our skin. Now, it has also grapeseed oil, which opens up the pores. Germanium, which is a natural heat reflector. Turmeric, which is from turmeric, which is the curcumin, which is an anti-inflammatory. St. John's wort, anti-inflammatory as well. Capsaicin, it's a natural source of endorphins. And silver ions also kills bacteria and viruses. Korean ginseng combats musculoskeletal pain. Simply means musculoskeletal bone pain. So it also contains vitamin E, which eases muscle pain after every movement or after every exercise or activity. So it simply means it's a full pack care leaf thermal relief patch that not only eases the pain from your external parts of your body, but also it actually penetrates the deepest layer of your skin. What's good about our Care Leaf thermal relief patch, once you apply it, it can last up to 48 hours. Yes, the heating effect and the soothing effect can last up to 48 hours. And how do we apply the Care Leaf thermal relief patch? All you have to do is make sure the affected area or the area with pain outside your body or externally is well cleaned and well dried. So you have to pat it dry very well. For example, this is that area. You have to make sure it's dry and clean before you are going to apply the Care Leaf. So the Care Leaf is just like Stika, where you remove the brown portion, the sticker itself, the brown portion, and attach it on the affected area. Once it's already stick on the affected area, all you have to do is just massage slightly, and later on it will start to give you that heating and relief that you're also wanting from our Care Leaf thermal relief patch. Now that is our Care Leaf. Now moving forward, how about wearable technology? Yes, we have it also here in our company, a wearable technology, which is our iProtect 24/7. That iProtect 24/7 is that packet inside our energy pendant. If you have your own energy pendant, inside your energy pendant we have that patch. Let me show you. This packet is what is inside your energy pendant, and that is the iProtect 24/7. Now, iProtect 24/7, that actually emits 1 to 2 meters invincible fumes, which creates a green zone. And it's actually one of the reasons how you'll be able to clear out and disintegrate bacteria and viruses around you 1 to 2 meters away from you. So imagine if you are with somebody who is coughing and sneezing at the same time, you are protected against the bacteria and the virus coming from him. So as soon as it penetrates 1 to 2 meters away from you, inside your protective area, the bacteria and the bacteria and the virus is easily disintegrated, and it's also cleared. So it will not penetrate you anymore and cause you to get that flu or that cough from somebody who has it. So that's how it is. It is how our iProtect actually protects you. So let's discuss the difference between iProtect and air purifier, because I do believe way back, when air purifier was introduced, air purifier is the one that purifies, your surroundings, especially in indoors. So air purifier is a big appliance where it's just like what you call this electric fan, but it's just in box type. So that air purifier serves as it purifies the air around surrounding you. But most of the time, what is the difference with it with iProtect? It's bulky because it's a big gadget, and it's also for indoor only. You cannot bring it with you, of course, because it's a big appliance, so you cannot simply just bring it everywhere you go. It only acts against bacteria. So air purifier only protects you against bacteria. Now, let's talk about iProtect. iProtect is a mobile protection. It simply means you can bring it anywhere you go. It's effective actually not just against bacteria, but also effective against viruses as well. So with our iProtect 24/7, it's not only for indoor protection, it's a protection you can take everywhere you go. Plus, it is effective against bacteria and viruses. Plus, it's also wearable and fashionable. It's just like an accessory wherever you go. So you just bring it anywhere, unlike the air purifier, which is a bulky appliance or a bulky gadget, which you cannot bring everywhere you go. Now, to furthermore differentiate them, for the air purifier, it needs electricity. You need to plug it, and it needs regular cleaning and maintenance. Unlike iProtect 24/7, you don't need electricity. You don't need regular cleaning. All you have to do is just get or secure yourself another packet or another iProtect 24/7 every 30 days. And that's our iProtect 24/7, which is our first mobile protection. Now, how about the energy pendant? Do you think the energy pendant also has its benefit? Yes, definitely it has also its benefits. But let's discuss what actually is the main purpose of the energy pendant. Energy pendant is actually protection against electromagnetic radiation. Now, radiation or too much exposure to radiation may lead to a lot of things. It may cause you cancer, hormonal imbalance, stress, and of course, miscarriage and high blood pressure. These are the things that actually leads you when you are constantly exposed to radiation. And right now, you and I both know we are all exposed to radiation. Why? Every single day we bring with us our cell phones, our Android phones, our laptops, our systems. At our houses, we have our own system, and we have also our appliances that also emit radiation. Another good example is Wi-Fi, and at the same time the internet that we have at home, because Wi-Fi itself also emits radiation everywhere we go. The satellites, or the what they call the receiver, that the internet and the connection that we have all over the big receiver stands outside our house, actually also emits a lot of radiation. So true enough, we cannot escape from radiation, and it is really everywhere we go. And as I've said earlier, as I said earlier, further exposure to radiation can lead to a lot of diseases and health problems. So with that, we have a solution, which is, of course, our energy pendant, which has all of these benefits. You have there, lowers down the impact of harmful electromagnetic radiation or EMF, helps increase immune system, or helps increase your body's immune system, helps increase your cell metabolism or renewal, restores your body's natural balance, increases your stamina, increases or escalates also your endurance. And energy also is or has clinical study. So in energy and our iProtect 24/7, this is not only, it's actually considered as 2-in-1 protection against bacteria and viruses, and protection against harmful electromagnetic radiation. So that is for our energy pendant. Yes. Now, as they say, Chi stands for the energy of life, and our body is composed of a lot of cells which carries out equalized function. So take the nutrients from food and convert into energy. Now, these are the things we should take into mind. What are the recommendations? How can we properly suggest and recommend our products? It's not just we share our products, and when our clients will tell us their health problems or their health challenge, you will just instantly give them everything. No, you have to know which is the best product to recommend them, so that you will also give them the correct, the correct way of them also having to take care of their body and take care of their health challenge. So let's move forward with what are the recommendations. So I will give you the things to remember. Now, in taking our supplements, always keep into mind, always ask questions or ask the correct questions. So I usually, whenever I recommend our supplements, I always ask them if it's going to be their first time taking our supplement. If it's going to be the first time of taking food supplement, always start or always suggest to start taking it only once a day. Okay? For the first week, just give them once a day. Always start with once a day. Do not recommend to instantly take it 3 times a day, take it 6 times a day. No, always start with once a day. Okay, let me be clear with that. Okay, why? It makes them, it also makes them what do you call this one, they're going to actually adjust first to the supplements that we're giving them. It's also a way for us to give them time to adjust their body to the supplement. If, for example, it's going to be the first time they're going to take, it also makes their body, adjust first for a few days, and finally, increasing them. So that is why here in the recommendation, it's actually, we always start with once a day. So you see here, we have 3 products before you. We have C24/7 Complete and Restore Life. For the first week, we have the weeks here on the other side. We have the weeks first, second, third, fourth. That is actually for the weeks you're going to give. So in the first week, you notice for the C24/7, you give once a day. That's 1001 in breakfast, 0 on lunchtime and 0 in the evening. So that's that 100 stands for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now for C24/7, only give once a day. The same with complete. Now for this first, second, and third week, this is the recommended dosage you're going to actually suggest to your clients if they are normal or having no health issues, and with or people we have or having kidney diseases. So with people who has kidney disease, this is the dosage you can give them up to. So for the first week, give once a day, second week twice, third week 3 times a day. Then on the third week, how about the fourth, fifth, and sixth for the normal and kidney disease? Maintain the 3 times a day. Okay? Do not further add more dosaging. Rather, just maintain the 3 times a day. I hope that is clear. The same with Restore Life. With Restore Life, once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day for the third week. And always take into consideration, since Restore Life and C24/7 already contains resveratrol, if you're going to, if you like to actually increase the dosaging of the Restore Life, you can partner it with Complete. Okay, if you're going to make it 2 times a day, 3 times a day, you can partner it with Complete Phyto Energizer. But if you're taking C24/7, once a day of Restore Life is already enough, because too much of taking, again, too much of taking of something is not also good in our body. So the same thing with the nutrients we're taking or the supplements we're taking. Always take note of that. Now, how about people with other diseases? Immediately as they enter the fourth and fifth and sixth week, they're going to increase some more. So in the fourth week, it's going to be 2 in the morning, 1 in the lunch, 1 in the evening. Fifth day, 2 in the morning, 1 on lunchtime, twice in the, or two in the evening. On the sixth, 2, 2, 2. 2 in the morning or 2 in the breakfast, 2 in lunch, 2 in the dinner. That is for other diseases. What are those other diseases? Other diseases includes also with people with heart problems, the arthritis, with diabetes, and a lot more. So those are the things that are included in the increasing more of the dosaging up to 222, which is 6 times a day. So with the 6 times a day, that's going to be the maintenance all throughout. Now, 222 from the 6th week onwards for other diseases. Now, how about if people has cancer? So that is an indication you will increase more from the 7th, 8th, and the 9th week. From the 7th week, you make it 322, 8th week 323, 9th week 333, and 333 or 9 times a day is already the highest, of the recommended dosaging we can give to cancer. And 333 is going to be their maintenance, okay, maintenance dosage for C24/7 and Complete. Okay, take note of this. Our supplements are best taken, especially C24/7, Complete, and Restore Life. They are best taken 30 minutes before meal or 2 hours after meal. It's because it's best taken on an empty stomach, because if your stomach is empty, they can actually absorb more of the nutrients or absorb more of the supplements we are taking. So it's best taken again with 30 minutes before we eat or after 2 hours. Now, that is for our C24/7 Complete and Restore Life. Moving forward, what are the things to remember? Now, the things to remember, we have C24/7, Restore Life, and VitaMax. Take note of this one. Take a snap, write it down. C24/7, Restore Life, and VitaMax contains resveratrol. Now, since it contains resveratrol, it should not be recommended to people who have the following conditions. What are these conditions? People with bleeding problems, pregnant women and lactating mothers, reproductive problems, persons below 18 years of age, and people who are taking blood thinning medication. If the person is taking synthetic drugs, particularly anticoagulant drugs, such as examples of these drugs are aspirin, clopidogrel, Coumadin, heparin, warfarin. If they are taking these synthetic drugs, we cannot recommend C24/7, Restore Life, and VitaMax for these people. Okay, take note of that. Don't just recommend with a blind eye, okay? Now, that is the things to remember. Write it down. Other things to remember. How about products that can we give to pregnant women or lactating mothers? What can we recommend to pregnant women and lactating mothers? These are the products we can give them. We have Complete, My Choco, and Colidus. Again, Complete, My Choco, and Colidus. How do we give that? For Complete and My Choco, it is best taken after the 10th week of pregnancy. Again, for Complete and My Choco, it's best taken after the 10th week of pregnancy. How about Colidus? It can be taken even during the first week of pregnancy, but should be discontinued on the 37th week of pregnancy or gestation. So here, they have different timing. So take note of this. For the Complete, it is taken after the 10th week of pregnancy, while Colidus, you can take it during your pregnancy, but it should be discontinued on the 37th week of gestation. So that's already approaching your you're going to already bore the child, or you're going to already be okay. Let's move forward. Okay, products for cardiovascular diseases. Now let's talk about our heart. Now, what are the products we can actually recommend them for cardiovascular disease? If they are, we always take into consideration, or we always ask our clients what, even before we recommend our supplement, we always ask them first what are the medications they are taking, because most of the time they are having their own maintenance drugs already or prescribed by the doctor's maintenance. So always ask them in giving our supplements to these people. We actually ask them what are their drugs, particularly if they're taking blood thinning medications. Now, if the person is taking blood thinning medicines, we can recommend them Complete and Colidus. For Complete, we can actually give them up to 3 times a day, based again depending on their current situation, or their current current situation. Plus, we can only give them Colidus once a day. Again, we can only give Colidus once a day. And Colidus, again, should be best taken with food. How do we take it with food? You eat your meal, you start to eat your meal, in the middle of the meal, you drink Colidus, then you continue eating. That's how it is. Now, for people without blood thinning medicines, you can recommend again with cardiovascular disease, but without blood thinning medicines, you can give them C24/7 up to 3 times a day, Restore Life once a day, and Colidus. You can give them these supplements. Now, how about the people with blood cholesterol, or have a high result in blood cholesterol? One. Now, blood cholesterol, you can actually check this one through the laboratory test or examination they have done, and if they have the result, and the blood cholesterol, the result of the blood cholesterol is above 100 or 100, more than 100 milligrams per deciliter, you can give them once a day for the Colidus. If it's above 200 milligrams per DL, it's twice a day. If it's above 250 milligrams per DL, it's 3 times a day for the Colidus. So that's the best recommendation you can give these patients or these customers. Now, another things to remember, what are the do's and the don'ts? The do's will always make sure you tell them, or you share with them, the right product names, the right product composition, and the right product benefits. And don't ever advise your client to stop their medication. Don't ever, because the medicines that the doctor has already prescribed them are the things that you are not in control, because only the doctor can tell them to discontinue those. So your role as somebody who wants them to, or to share them our products to help them more, is to add our supplement to support the medications they're already taken, and also boost their immune system, because again, food supplement is for boosting of our immune system and strengthens our body. And of course, protects ourselves also in the side effects that the medications they're also taking. So that's the role. Our supplements is for support for their current condition. So it's not up to you. It's not your call to tell them to discontinue, not unless the doctor tells them to discontinue the synthetic drug or the maintenance drug that he has already prescribed. And also, one don't is always use simple terms and words. Always, make sure that your client understands very well, and also you tell them what is the right thing to do, especially in taking and our products or our supplements. So again, take note that the only intent of our dietary supplements is to ensure our body gets enough essential nutrients. So there you have it. That is our all of the products of Alliance in Motion Global. I hope you have learned so much from us, especially in how to properly recommend our products, who are the people we need to recommend it, and how, especially the dosaging of how many times we can give our clients the supplement. Now, before we finally we finally end this presentation, let me call back my partner, Mr. Jervain Hapitana, to be with me in this. Okay. Charan. Charan with the Charan. He's back. And we are already finished with our presentation. I hope you have learned so much. I see a lot of people who are commenting and a lot of people who actually joined us in this live presentation. And again, join us again to another special product training next week. We will have a regular product or a special product training every week. So make sure, especially those people who doesn't know yet the benefits or all of the ingredients of our products and how to recommend our products, this is the best training you will ever attend. So make sure to bring them here and make them join us so that they will learn from the products.
Yeah, so this product training is not just only once. So you need to continue to learn and learn and learn, because always remember we are dealing with the health of our clients. So although this is food supplements, our products is food supplement, it's not only that, it doesn't mean that if the patient has this disease, these health problems, you can directly give him this product. No, you should also be aware and you should also be cautious also. What are the medicines or drugs that your client is prescribed by their doctors or that they're taking on?
Yeah.
Because let's say, for example, if your patient is, let's say, for example, is pregnant, but of course, in the first week, it does not, okay, it's not obviously be seen because it's not, the stomach is not yet bulge, something like that. Then you should always ask first.
Yeah,
okay?
That's why we always emphasize to ask the correct or the right questions first before we give them our recommendation, especially the products, so that we will avoid also giving them supplements that is not for them as of the moment, because they're like what my brother said, if she is or he is or if she is pregnant and having a lot of health problems also, we need to consider those things, because we don't want you also to be in trouble of just giving them all, especially with products with resveratrol, especially.
Because most of the common questions is like kidney. The moment you hear kidney, the only product you can give is complete and 111. Okay, the maximum is 111, 3 times a day. Do not exceed more than 3 times a day.
Yes.
Okay, so if you are not confident, if you are not, if you doesn't know what product, the best product that you can recommend to your patient is Complete Phyto Energizer. Okay, so that's the only product that it's very safe to recommend. And if you are not confident, yes, a Complete Phyto.
Yes.
Okay.
Anyway, I think we are already done with our today's presentation, and we also, before anything else, would like to also remind and invite everybody later on at 2 o'clock, actually immediately after this, We are going to have our first day for our intensive training in the effective selling techniques that's going to be conducted by Mr. Ferdinand Webb and Ma'am Ross. The link is already posted in our AIM Nigeria Talks page. Again, that presentation is not going to be recorded. So you have to be there. So you have to be in that Zoom training. So again, we welcome all of you, and we actually invite you all later, and we will see you in the training at 2 o'clock after this. Thank you very much. And any message for out before we finally go?
All right. So this is the right timing for you that you learned our special product training, because later on, whatever you learned here in our special product training can be applied in effective selling.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, because a lot of us, if I am your client, so what is this product all about? Well, what is it for me? How it can help me?
Correct.
So because of the knowledge of the product plus the knowledge of selling technique, you will definitely can sell anything. Okay,
Yes.
and it's be easy for you to sell all the products of AIM Global. So product knowledge plus selling technique is a great combination for your success.
Yes.
All right. So thank you so much for all the viewers, leaders and distributors of AIM Global. Thank you for watching. Thank you for participating. It's been an honor for us to, with me, Kit. We are here learning. So we are so happy that you're not just only participating. What makes us happy most is you apply what you learn.
Yes, because the application is more important. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. God bless everyone.
We'll see you again later. God bless you all abundantly.